This is Cool Trains in Montreal. I just got dumped off at the Rim, so I have to walk back towards the metro. And I just got this train here at about 9 o'clock p.m. at this crossing in Saint Laurent. It's all tankers. I think that's the end of the train, actually. I don't know. There's still more. Wasn't really able to see much of the engines, because I had to walk up that street there towards the bus garage. Anyway. This is the first time I've ever got something on the evening. That's it. At least I got something. I don't imagine anything else is coming. Yep, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. It's March 29th, 2026.